Hi, I'm Ramela, 27 years old, living a simple life here in the province. I just decided to start recording moments with my family, friends, pets, and everyone that I love. Random weekends when I'm not working and just living. Sobrang makakalimutan kasi ako. And honestly, I'm scared na one day, pag matanda na ako, I might forget these moments. Kaya I'm making this vlog para kapag tumating yung araw na yon, I have something to look. Video siya. What can you say about your hair?
So ugly.
Pwede na ako mag-picture. Life's flowing so slow, yet so fast. Like I'm living my days as if they're weeks, but weeks slip by like hours. I'm in my late 20s, and I'm feeling really late. Chasing something I don't really know. It has never been this low, yet this fast. Well, that's just me, and that's just what I feel in real life. See you again next week.